Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready for some sweet fun today? Let's draw a cute candy packet. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the candy packet. Start with a rectangle, but instead of straight lines, we'll make the top and bottom edges zigzag and wavy. This makes it look like the wrapper is crinkly. Now, let's decorate our candy packet. Draw cute little hearts all over the wrapper. You can make them big or small, it's up to you. It's time to make our candy packet come alive. Draw two big eyes with tiny circles inside for the sparkly highlights. And don't forget a smiley mouth in the middle. Let's make the artwork pop. Use your black marker to trace the entire candy packet, including the zigzag lines, hearts, and the face. Looking amazing so far. Now, let's add some floating hearts around the candy. These make it look extra sweet and fun. Whoa! Our candy packet looks awesome.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's name the colors as we go. Pink color for the wavy edges at the top and bottom. Light pink color for the candy packet.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Red color for the big hearts. Yellow color for some of the smaller hearts. Green color for a few more hearts. Blue color for the final hearts. Fantastic job, little artists! Our cute candy packet looks so sweet and colorful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time and keep creating amazing art!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.